It's a face-off. This little one's a newbie. He's scared. That's Mama. He's sneaking around. Good job. Little wet tail. How silly. You look silly. You look like a fat, silly squirrel, wet squirrel. Hear the birds singing? Spring is sprung. There's my prize, my dogwood. So beautiful. It's going to be white as snow. Though it needs some help. It needs to be fed, which I can't do. That's a mockingbird singing in the background. You mimic everything. It's been raining all day. It's good. Got a few things planted. Listen to that bird go. The sound of music. Birdsong. Here comes the hosta. It's all hosta. So pretty. I love the rain. Little white-beaked sparrow, they're so beautiful. Little female, they've learned to like peanuts. As you can see, it's very quiet. It's mating season. Usually there's all kinds of fights out there with the birds. It's fun to watch. The robins have really been going at it. Beautiful purple pansy I picked up. Sounds like the mockingbird likes it. Maybe the cardinal does too. Beautiful, Mr. Cardinal. They love peanuts. Oh, you're beautiful. That mockingbird, just beautiful song. There's a white-throat male. Does he look like he has a beard? I love the yellow. They're winter birds. Hasn't born yet. They have a beautiful song, like a whistle. Peace.